Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the attractiveness scale on TikTok. So this is a trend that has been going around, and to do it, the first step you will need to do is to have the image of the attractiveness scale on your phone. So you either need the male version, which is this one right here, or you need the female version, which is this one right here. And to make your life easier, I have left both of these links linked up in the description down below, so you can just go ahead and tap on either the male or the female. And then once you have these downloaded onto your phone, you can go back onto TikTok, and then you can go out of the TikTok camera, and then in the Discover tab in the search bar you just want to type shape shift and then hit search. That's going to load up the shape shift filter, and then you can either add it to your favorites and access it from the TikTok camera, or you can just simply tap on the record button at the bottom to go ahead and use it. So what you need to do now is to upload the male or the female version of that attractiveness scale image. So I'll select the male version, and if you can't find it within that first row there, you can tap on that plus and then select it from wherever it is on your phone. So I'll select the correct one, and then that's going to count down from 3 and then show you what level of attractiveness you are. So according to this one, I got a 9. So that is just the preview. To actually record your video, you have to press the record button. And do keep in mind that you will get the same result every single time that you do this trend. So what you can do once you've done that is you can press the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and that'll show you your video. You can add some text, and then you can say rating my attractiveness from 1 to 10, and you can just include that onto your video. Tap on done at the top right, and you can position it wherever you want it. I'll just put it there. And then you can do the normal things like add sounds and effects and things like that. I'll just leave it like that, and then tap on next. And then you can just go ahead and post your video, add your description, add your hashtags, and set your settings, and then post it. So that is how you do this trend on TikTok. Have fun with this one. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.